Hello, 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 it's me again. I am doing another video on the Mitsubishi Outlander 2022 vinyl wrap installation on the rear spoiler. I wanted to make that black, and I'll have another video I'll post soon about doing the wrap on the roof on both sides. So hopefully you'll find this helpful, and we'll get into it in just a few moments.
Alright, this one's gonna be harder to record because we're at the top of the car. But I'm probably just gonna do this area right here. I'm not gonna do the whole. I'm not planning on doing the entire top of the car black. I don't know, just doing something a little different. So I'm just doing this spoiler. I'm gonna measure that, and then I'm gonna do, I don't know, I might not do the front part. If I do the front part, if I do it, I'm gonna have to do a little something special with the vinyl so it's cut. But I wasn't planning on doing the whole top of the car. And I feel like if I do the front part, I might as well do the rest of the car. And I'm not really sure I want to do that. I don't really see the purpose, and I kind of like having some white. So we'll see. Alright, I'm measuring. Just checking that you got a good little view of the top of the car. And that is my piece. I think I measured about 53.5 because I wanted extra space on the width, and I think I did about 16 on the height of that piece of vinyl. So I've already wiped it, washed it down. I'm gonna wipe it down one more time. I'm gonna start sticking, and then after that, I'll smooth it out and go from there. All right, go. Painter's tape would be good. Wait, I might do that. I'm gonna go get painter's tape. Make this easier. And the dog I gotta talk to? Oh. My way of keeping it on there. I need to come over some on this side. Wrap that bottom piece in. Okay. What are you doing for cutting up here? I see. Huh. Wrap. Not bad. here. Alright, I'll use my little cutters. Show you this little piece that I'm talking about up here that I gotta cut. So this hump, I mean, well, of course this part, but then this is still part of it. We'll have to cut in between here and be careful with this part for sure. All right, so let me back up a little bit so you can see some curves. This is gonna have to be cut, and for me, like, this stuff is good, but like somebody else that's ready to review these curves, oh man, they're hard. So I don't know how that's gonna come out. I don't have a lot of time anyway. I gotta just try to get it on there, so we'll see. This is before. Okay, just a little bit better. We'll see what it looks like once I cut, and I need to cut. So we shall see. Okay, anyway, that's some of what I cut off. We'll see if it looks better without when the plastic is off. And I'm just cutting as I go. A lot of cutting. So, be back. All the sticky part done, cut for the most part. And then I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm heat gunning one more time, and then I will see what it looks like when I take the plastic off. Anyway, all right. So take this off. Start scratching up here. See what it looks like. Alright. There it is. Yep, see the little creases? I'll probably put the heat gun on it at some point. Again, you know, some other time. But for now, I have to live with it. I see this little piece right there. Probably don't want to wrap that. Cover it. Alright. It's alright. It's alright. Still got some to peel off here. this with one hand, so. There it is. Alright. Pretty shiny, there it is. I think all the plastic is off. I mean, it's still pretty good in my opinion. Got some little wrinkle in right there because I think it stretched with the heat. And so yeah, but, and of course, on these edges, like I said, got some creases that I didn't want, but I didn't even see a way around it, honestly. So, you can kind of see it. Then I'm gonna get the heat gun and go see where I'm push these edges in, and that is it for me tonight. So yep, there you have it. And done.
All right, so there you have it. That was the rear spoiler. Finished up with that. I'd say give yourself, I don't know, 45 minutes or more. I was rushing and could have done better, but it is what it is. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully you'll be seeing the roof install as well. Bye.